Good morning, dear students. This is your maths class for grade 7. Today, we are going to start our next exercise. But before starting our exercise, let us take a pledge. I, Mansi, commit to be vigilant and bear in mind all times the risk to myself and my colleagues from COVID 19. I promise to take all necessary precautions that prevents the spread of this deadly virus. I promise to follow and encourage others to follow the key COVID appropriate behaviors, to always wear a mask, face cover, especially when in public places, to maintain a minimum distance of 6 feet from others, to wash my hands frequently and thoroughly with soap and water. Together, we will win this fight against COVID 19. So, today we are going to start our next exercise, which is exercise 3.2. In this exercise, what we have to do, we have to subtract the rational numbers. So, what are the rational numbers? We know that the numbers which are ratio of any two integers, that are called rational numbers. So we have to subtract the fractions as we have done earlier. If the LCM is same, means if the denominator is same, then the subtraction is simpler. We don't have to equate, or we don't have to do the equal denominator. If the denominators are already equal, we just have to simply subtract. What would happen when we subtract 5? When we subtract 3 from 5, the answer would be 2 over 7 simply. That would be 3 minus 7 over 8. What would be the answer? That would be minus 4 over 8, or minus 1 by 2. Just simply. The question number 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 questions are similar. We have to do the fifth one. So in fifth question, we are having 1 by 3 minus 5 over 6. The denominators are not same. We have to firstly, what we have to do, we have to make the denominators the same. Let me tell you how to do this question. So firstly, we have to make the denominator same as we have done in the addition. We have to do the similar in subtraction. So I'm doing the question. The question is 1 by 3 minus 5 by 6. So what we have to do, as we have done earlier, multiply the denominator of second with the numerator and denominator of first, then multiply the denominator of first with the numerator and denominator of second. So simply 1 over 3 multiply by 6 over 6 minus 5 over 6 multiply by 3 over 3. That would be 6 over 9 minus 15 over 6 3 is a 8. That would be 6 3 is a 18. That would be also 6 3 is a 18. So the denominators are same. Now we can do the subtraction. So that is 6. What is the mean by bracket? If we multiply this sign with this, when we multiply the same sign, the answer is positive. So that would be 6 plus 15 over 18. 6 plus 15, that is 21 over 18. So just making it a prime number, removing the common factor. What is the common factor here? 3 is the common factor. 7 3 is a 21, 6 3 is a 18. So our answer is 7 over 6. Simply. The rest of parts are also equal, also same. You have to do the sum in the same manner as we have done right now. Next is the question, subtract minus 7 over 9 from minus 2 over 5. We have to subtract this number from this number, means the first number what would become, that is 2 over 5 minus 7 over 9. So the number which is written after from means this is the number, and this number we have to subtract. So simply subtract this as we have done this question. These are similar. Next is the sum of two rational number is minus 3 by 7. What is given to us? Sum of rational number is equals to minus 3 by 7. One number is minus 5 by 8. one number is equals to minus 5 by 8, and what we have to do, we have to find the other number. So how to find the other number? Firstly, we have to write down, according to question. What is according to question? The sum of two numbers is this one. So firstly, let's second number is equals to x. Let us second number is equals to x. So now according to question, if we add minus 5 by 8 plus x, that is minus 3 by 7. So what we have to do, if we want to find this term, we have to shift this term to this side. So x is equals to minus 3 by 7. This term is negative here. When we shift this term this side, that would be positive 5 over 8. Clear? Means x is equals to, so the denominator is not same, we have to make the denominator same. That would be minus 3 over 7 multiplied by 8 plus 5 over 8 multiplied by 7. So simply that is minus 24 over 56 plus 7 5s are 35 over 56. That would be, what would happen when we do this? That is 11 over 56. So when we are having a positive term and a negative term, we just simply subtract the terms and put the sign of positive term. So put the sign of greatest term. So 35 is greater than 24. We just put the sign of 34. That is positive. Clear? Next question is, the sum of two rational number is this. If one number is this, find the other. So next question is similar to this. This question, what number should be added to minus 5 by 11 to get 5 by 9? So simply what we have to do, we are having what is given to us, minus 5 by 11 to get this number, means this number is the result and this is the one number. So what we have to do, minus 5 by 11 plus a number is equals to this number. This number is negative this side. When we shift this number to this side, that would be positive. So our number will this number. So similarly, the second part of this question, this one, third part of this question, that is similar, done in same way. So moving to our next question, to which number should 2 by 3 be added to give minus 11 by 4? To which number should 2 by 3 be added to give minus 11 over 4? So in question what we have, to which number should this number be added to give this number, means this number is the result, this is the number, and we have to find which two numbers are added to find this number. So simply we have to write it in this way, number plus this number, and what is the result? That is minus 11 by 14. So simply this number is positive this side. When we shift this number to this side, that would be negative. So simply solve it, make the denominator equal and just add them, and that would be the second number. Moving to our next question. Next question is similar. From which number should minus 11 by 14 be subtracted to give minus 1 by 4? So next question is similar. So next is, which number we should subtract this from? So simply number minus this number, that would be minus 1 by 4. So this side, that would be, here it is minus, here it is negative. So when we multiply the negative sign, that would be positive here. So the number is positive this side, that would be negative on that side. Positive this side, that would be negative on other side. So simply solve it, cut it and remove the common factor. That would be the answer. So rest of the questions are way too much similar with the previous question. You have to do these questions. Try to do all the questions. I will discuss the method to solve these questions, but still if you have any doubts, you can ask me in your face-to-face interaction class. But you have to do all these questions which are left. So if I am doing 1, 2, 3 parts of this question, this doesn't mean that only these 3 parts are coming your exam. All the parts, any question from any question from all the parts can be in your exam. So prepare for all the parts. This is done for our class. We will do our next exercise in next class. Thank you. Have a nice day.